Well, so now we're going to make a. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at a beetroot soup. So it's going to be a puree soup. So I've got a pan on, a little bit of oil, a little bit of sunflower oil, onions, which I'm going to let's do a dice. So we're going chunky dice on there, one at the top, one down. I've got a little bit of carrots as well. The carrots, sir. Yes, sir. So let's get. Oh yeah, we're hot, baby. We're hot, baby. Oh, we're hot, baby. Yeah. Get a bit of salt. Like so. Put the spoon. Right. Get the onions going. Right. Cut the carrots. Okay. So we'll get the carrots cut down into smaller pieces. Get them frying up lovely with the red onion. Like so. Like so. Okay, there you go. You're going to really get that lovely smell of the onions and the carrots. Fine off. Now I've got some peeled beetroot. Peeled and cooked. So again, I'm just going to cut these down to smaller pieces. Try not to fiery food everywhere. Okay, go down. You see that? So what I'm looking for, a really kind of ready, purpley soup. There we go. Packed full of flavour. See that? Carrots, onion. Le beetroot in the soupe. Okay. I'm going to keep it like that. Then we're going to need some water. Cool. So I've got 400 millilitres of water there. I'm just going to cover it, just so it's just covered to start with. Okay. And that was around 350. Let's keep that to the side. That's right. Okay. Right, so what we're going to do now is I'm just going to let that cook away now for about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll come on back and I'm just going to finish it. Okay, so here is my beetroot soup. Okay, so here's the beetroot soup. So it's really, really hot. I've just switched the pan over so we can blitz it a little bit nicer. And just start off very, very slowly. Remember, this is really hot liquid. have my beetroot and carrot soup. Just give it a quick toast. It's good. It's honest. It's an honest soup. Okay. I just want to get it in a bowl. I'm going to have to pass it, I think. So I've got my little strainer here. Now I'm just going to pass it through. Pass my soup through the strainer, just to get any little bits out of it. Okay, there's that one there. Let's just flip him through. Okay, that's just taking out some extra bits of lumpy carrot out of there. Okay, so here we go. One quick taste. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that's just about a portion there. Right. It's an honest, so we've got an honest carrot and beetroot soup. Can you see that's my honest carrot and beetroot soup. Lovely. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to give it a swirl of cream. So, let's get my little spoon. Grab a teaspoon, and then let's just try and give it a little bit of a drizzle. There we go, look. There we have. There we go, there it is, with a little bit of a cream drizzle. Honest carrot and beetroot soup with a drizzle of cream.